Stop chasing women and start making them chase you. If you are tired of always being the one running after her, listen up, because what I am about to share with you in this video will flip the entire script. But first, my name is Van Johnson, a dating, life, confidence coach, and image consultant for men. I am also your fearless leader of the Brethren community, a community curated for men, where men can come together, be a part of a brotherhood, where men can become the very best, most confident, and most attractive versions of themselves, where men can become leaders that women actually like to be around. So if you are a man and you are ready for that level of growth, be sure to go ahead and find the link to the Brethren community in the description. It is a free community on Discord, so jump in, get the sauce, and become the best version of yourself. Be sure to like this video, leave a comment, let me know how it helped you and what you would like to hear about in the future. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you can get all the updates and keep up with all the sauce. And of course, all of that also helps me continue to bring you high quality dating advice and advice to help you become the best version of yourself. So with that, let's jump right into this video where I am going to break down how to get women to chase you. Yes, chase you by flipping the usual approach on its head. When it comes to getting women to chase you, the first thing that you want to do is build unshakable confidence. Women chase confidence, not neediness. It's not about looks or money. It's about owning your space, your purpose, and your value. When you're fully locked into your mission and you have your life in order, you send an unspoken signal that you are the prize worth being chased. And women definitely will notice. If you actually want to have women start chasing you, you have to have this confidence about yourself. You can't be the guy that it's clear that you need her. You have a need for her validation. You have a need to have her be a part of your life. No, you want to flip that. You want to exude confidence. That confidence says to her, I don't need you. I'm willing to allow you to be a part of what I have going on, but I have no need of being a part of what you have going on. And it is that type of mindset, that type of confidence, that type of energy that will actually get women chasing you. Women do not want men that need them. When you need a woman, that's when she's going to run as far away from you as possible. The second thing that you want to do is develop a high value lifestyle. Now, what does this look like? Well, this isn't just about expensive things. It's about cultivating a lifestyle full of purpose, growth, and high quality energy. Hit the gym, Grow your skills, expand your social circle, and build a routine that screams masculine success. Women can feel this energy and it pulls them into you naturally. Number three, you want to master the art of scarcity and mystery. Don't be available 24/7. Make her wonder where you are, what you're doing, and why you're not always chasing her. You are a man with purpose. You are a man that is on his purpose, actually doing things and accomplishing things in life. Men like that aren't chasing women. Men like that aren't on the phone with women 24/7, texting her 24/7, responding immediately to every text. So actually be that guy that's on his purpose and doing things leading to growth. This actually works because you get her thinking about you. You set yourself apart from all of these other guys. She really gets to wondering, what is he doing? Where is he right now? The key to really attracting women is getting them thinking about you when you are not there. When they're thinking about you and you're not there, they get to create all these wonderful fantasies about you and dream about you. And that is what really builds that attraction and that anticipation to actually be with you and in your presence. So be selective with your time and attention. Scarcity builds value. Add layers of mystery. Don't overshare. Keep some things private so she's intrigued and curious to know more. Say she asks what you do for work, for example. Oh, I just rob banks here and there. Nothing too serious. It's fun, it's vibey, it's funny, it's non-serious, but it doesn't actually give her what you do. So now she'll be thinking, but also you're funny, you're vibey. See, those are the kind of things that build attraction and builds mystery because she doesn't actually know what you do. You keep that air of mystery about yourself. And this actually builds attraction and makes her desire more. Think about it like a movie where they leave you with a great big cliffhanger. The guy just walked in on his girl, cheating on him with some guy, and then it just goes off right then and right there. What's gonna happen next? You can't wait for the next episode. That's how you want to leave her. You want to leave her with a cliffhanger. Leave her wondering, leave her wanting more so that she will desire to actually be in your presence again to get the close of that story. Number 4, let her qualify herself. Turn the tables. Guys are always qualifying to women, giving them all this value up front, trying to sell to her why you should talk to me of all of these guys. No, you want to flip the script. Ask questions that get her to prove her worth to you and show you why she deserves your attention. By framing it in that way, that will actually make her chase you. That will make her desire you more. When you're the one being chased, you control the frame, right? And you're the leader. You need to be controlling the frame. This makes you much more attractive and it puts her in a position to invest emotionally. When women are actually putting in more effort, they are much more inclined to want to be with you. Women need to be putting in a lot more effort up front when it comes to building the relationship and even sustaining a relationship. You want to frame yourself as, again, a man of value. If you're a man of value, you're the man worth being chased. You're the man worth her effort. You're the man who's worth her investing emotionally. So turn the tables, get her qualifying to you, and this will in turn make her like you more, make her want to chase you. And number 5, use strategic flirting and teasing. Playful banter, cocky, funny remarks, and light teasing builds sexual tension, and it makes the interaction fun. Don't be afraid to poke fun at yourself. Don't be afraid to poke fun at her. Be confident enough to say the thing that other guys won't normally say because they're afraid that it's going to offend her. Make her laugh, make her curious, and make her feel the emotional pull. You need to create that polarity between the masculine and the feminine that really builds that strong sexual tension. Maybe you're in the middle of a conversation during dinner or whatever activity you're doing, and you say something like, "Lucky you, I decided you were worthy of my time tonight." Something like that. Anything is a little cocky but flirty and playful. You can throw in things like that. Don't be a douche. Again, it's okay to tease and build that tension, but know how to do it in the right way and in the right moments. When you're having a good time and not chasing, she'll want to catch up and keep the vibe alive. So if you are ready to stop chasing and start living a life where women naturally come to you, I've got a free strategy call waiting for you. All you have to do is go in the description, find the link, and book your free strategy call. And I will give you the sauce, the step-by-step instructions on how to get from where you are to where you want to be. Let's get you on the fast track to becoming the man that she cannot resist chasing. Also, be sure to join the Brethren community on Discord for daily support, brotherhood, and game-changing advice. Link in the description. So let's get in there and let's level up together. That's pretty much it for this video. Be sure to like, leave a comment. Let me know if this helped you and how it helped you. Let me know what you would like to hear about in the future. And be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a thing, so that you can keep up with all of my weekly posts. I will see you in the next video. Peace.